Take a ride in the 2019 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.